To perform factory reset of the Redmi Buds 6 Play, first of all you have to be sure that you input both earbuds inside this charging case, close this case and charge them for like 5 to 10 minutes by using USB-C port. When you did it, you can just simply open this case and you will have to click and hold this button on the right side. So you will have to click and hold it, and now this indicator, this small indicator on the front, will start blinking. If it is not working, you can just release and try one more time, but as you can see right now, it starts blinking quickly, which means that the reset is on the way, and we have to wait until this blinking icon slows down a little bit. Just like this. As you can see right now, it is blinking slowly, so we can release. And as you can see right now, we are not connected anymore, so we can also get rid of this connection by clicking here on your laptop, on your phone, tablet, or any other device that you are using. Thanks for watching.